Now I am going to discuss the properties of this codon dictionary. So properties of codon, properties of genetic code. Properties of genetic code. First property of genetic code is triplet. Genetic code is triplet. Genetic code is triplet. Triplet means genetic code is 3-letter code, and I have already explained this property in the beginning. That is, there are 4 nucleotides, 20 amino acids, and so 3 nucleotides forms a single codon. Second property of genetic code is degenerate. Genetic code is degenerate. Let me explain the meaning of this genetic code is degenerate. Degenerate means one amino acid can be coded by more than one codons, and it is obvious. There are only 20 amino acids and 61 available sense codons. So if I have mentioned that the genetic code is non-degenerate, in that case one codon might have coded the single amino acid, but this is not the case. And through this codon dictionary table, you can easily see that some amino acids have 6 codons, and those amino acids are serine. Those amino acids are serine, arginine, and leucine. These are the amino acids which have 6 codons. Maximum of 6 codons available for them. Or you can go through this one. For leucine, these 2 codons and these 4 codons. For the serine, these are the 4 codons and these are the 2 codons, 6. For arginine, these are the 4 codons and these are the 2 codons. So these 3 amino acids have maximum of 6 codons. No amino acids have 5 codons, but there are a number of amino acids which have the 4 codons. For example, 4 codons amino acids are in this first row, that is valine. In first row, valine. In this second row, all the 4 means minus this serine, because it has the 6 codon. So all the 3, proline, threonine and alanine. Proline, threonine and alanine. These 3. In this, no one. Whereas in this column also only glycine. And these are the 5 amino acids which have 4 codons. They have 4 codons. Only one amino acid has the 3 codons, and that amino acid is isoleucine. Isoleucine has 3 codons. And maximum amino acids have 2 codons. For example, 2 codons, phenylalanine. First one is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine has 2 codons. In this one, tyrosine. This tyrosine has only 2 codons, and this one is cysteine. This has also 2 codons. Whereas in this second row, glutamine and histidine. Glutamine, histidine. In this, asparagine and lysine. and lysine. Asparagine and lysine. This has also the 2 codons. And in the last row, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. These all amino acids have 2 codons. They have 2 codons. So there are 8 amino acids which have 2 codons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 amino acids have 3 amino acids have 6 codons and 5 amino acids have 4 codons. 1 codon has, that is the tryptophan. That is the tryptophan. Tryptophan, and tryptophan has single codon UGG, and mind it, this codon, about this codon, it is already asked in AIMS examination 2004. Already it is this asked question. And why people targeted this tryptophan? Because it is one of the amino acid which has only 1 codon. And another example is methionine. Another example is methionine. This methionine has also only 1 codon, and that codon is AUG. But I have already mentioned that in the absence of AUG, the GUG will also function as initiation codon, and in that case GUG can also code for the methionine, or will certainly code for the methionine. So this is all about the second property, that is genetic code is degenerate.